Technology is constantly advancing and providing new opportunities for advancements in various academic fields, such as the humanities. Digitization is a process that uses digital tools to archive or digitize analog products. As a result of the creation of digitization, the humanities have adopted the process to create large-scale projects to broaden the scope of work in the field and expand the reach of knowledge to places all over the world via the internet. With modern technology, the practice of digitization has become prevalent in the world, allowing projects to develop in academic fields to progress their work. The digital humanities have joined technology with literature and created a field wherein projects can develop to revolutionize the way in which scholarly work is produced and utilized. William Blake is an 18th century artist who practiced in various artistic disciplines. Motivations such as providing greater accessibility to William Blake's work and ideology, paired with the aspiration of scholars to compare Blake's various editions of each piece of work, led to the creation of one of the first digital humanities projects, which is known as the William Blake Archive. The artistic products amassed by Blake that are analyzed by scholars amounted to a desire to provide worldwide access to the plates and texts that are spread all around the world. The archive includes many features like a biography on William Blake, a search engine for specific finds, and all of Blake's works in a digital format, including each edition of his pieces. Blake created an abundance of engraving plates and works of poetry and prose that corresponded with his visual images of the stories, and his engravings were in a constant state of evolution and progression, as his work was never complete in his eyes. The searching feature categorizes its items into groups. When searching the word rose, titles by Blake including the word rose come up in one category, while separate groupings appear for images tagged by the team that include a rose, and another group where rose has been recognized in a transcription of Blake's text. Since computers are not advanced to the point to having the independent ability to recognize everything that the human eye can, team members must manually tag everything on the archive, as the computer will not efficiently process an image the way the human can, and will therefore not accurately display everything containing a rose. When you click on an object on the archive, various options appear with the object. Those who work on the archive include information about the plate, such as where it is kept, when it was acquired, and what collection it is found in. A tab appears that contains all similar objects that have been edited by team members to accurately display the colors by digitally altering the images. A transcription is also created by the image that was developed by editors, and a tab is included with the list of editors and encoding descriptions. Songs of Innocence is a collection of poems and images by Blake that address societal concerns. The archive provides not only the pieces within the collection with a list of the copies and where the physical copies can be found, but also the various editions of the objects, like the plate cover for the collection. William Blake produced many editions of the same plate, constantly altering components such as the color choices or pigmentation and the intensity of the details. The archive provides a compilation below the image of similar objects where the different versions of the same plate can be seen and examined. In the top right corner of the objects, a box appears where it can be selected and then enlarged to compare various editions to one another. Scholars use this feature to analyze the progression in Blake's work and closely inspect his plates. The William Blake Archive is an example of scholarly work. However, it adopts a digital format that challenges the traditional idea of scholarship as peer-reviewed journal and book publications rather than humanities projects that are created for the internet. The awarded Digital Humanities Project exemplifies the potential for wide-ranging knowledge that is permitted by technology such as digitization. The digitized archives allow scholars all over the world to learn about and analyze William Blake and his work, sustaining not only individual research, but also joining scholars and resources to extend the length to which knowledge was previously confined without the internet and digital processes.